Hey guys, it's Sarah. Thank you so much for watching. So for some reason I'm just in a Christmassy mood today. I was just feeling the red and the green, even though it's not even Thanksgiving yet when I'm filming this. Actually, I think this video is going up on Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having a great holiday. I have a Project Pan update for you guys. This update kind of snuck up on me and I feel like I haven't made a whole lot of progress since the last month. I've brought a lot of new products into my collection this month, and so I've been just kind of playing around with different things. I haven't been wanting to use the same products over and over again. I haven't used up anything since the last update, but you know, there are some things where I did make some pretty good progress. Like I said in the last update, I'm not planning on rolling any new products into this project because I'm going to be ending this project at the end of 2018, and that is coming up pretty soon. So I really just want to kind of focus in on these last 6 products that I have remaining in the project and see how far I can get on them, see how many of them I can use up, and then I'll probably start a new project at the beginning of 2019. So let's go ahead and get into the update. So the first thing was this 100% pure dual-ended cream shadow stick. This has been with us for many months now, and we are almost to the very end. So I did finish this one end a few months back. On the side that's called Silk, I have sharpened it all the way down, so it's not going to sharpen down any further. So basically I just have to finish up what's left of the product on that little nub right there. So that is super close. I anticipate finishing this certainly by the end of the year. Oh my gosh, we only have one more update in this project after this. So yeah, I better finish it up by then. Yeah, I'm really gonna put my mind to it and try to finish this by the end of the year. That is crazy. How is that possible? Okay, so yeah, that's going really well. I mostly use that as a lower liner. I did that today, underneath some shadows, but that's been going really well. I'm excited to finally get this out of my collection because it has been with us in this project for a very long time, and it has been in my collection for even longer. So that'll be nice to part ways with, even though it's a nice product and I like it. The next product was a blush. This has also been with us for a while. This is the Brooke Cosmetics Pressed Cheek Color in the shade Sweet 16. Not a ton of progress on this month. I did expand the pan a little bit, but I have noticed that every time I do use this, the pan expands pretty noticeably. So I feel like if I do continue using this regularly, I definitely won't finish it by the end of the year. Well, who knows? Maybe I will, but I still would like to make some more progress on it and eventually use it up. So that's where we are on that right now. This has just been very slow and steady, but that's kind of how it is for me in blushes. Then we have the Lolo Sculpt and Glow Contour Duo. So I did finally repress this the other day, and I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. I followed Lauren May Beauty's tutorial. One of you guys suggested that specific tutorial, and I think that it was really helpful because this is probably the first time I've really successfully repressed something and it actually looks decent. I was able to get it to spread all the way across the pan. So I did repress both the contour and the highlighter. I probably could have waited a little bit on the highlighter, but I figured while I was doing it I might as well go ahead and do both. So yeah, if you are looking for a good repressing tutorial, definitely check out her video. I'll link it down below. But yeah, so that is what it looks like now. I was getting pretty close to the edges on the contour, so it feels like I'm starting over now though. Like now I have to hit pan again. And I feel like I pressed them down pretty hard. Sometimes when you repress things, they're really powdery, but these feel really hard pressed, so it might take me a while to actually get through those. I felt like there was a lot more product left than what I thought, so but yeah, that's where we are on that one, and I feel like I've made some really good progress on that. Next we have the Pixi Correction Concentrate in Brightening Peach. I am so close on this one. I totally could have finished this by this update, but I just haven't been wearing makeup every day. If I had worn makeup every day this month, I probably would have finished it, but yeah, super close. I only have just a little bit of product left. I will definitely be able to finish this by the end of the year. I don't think I'll have any problem with that. It's really just a matter of getting that last little bit out of the sides. So that's probably my most successful product this month. The last 2 products are lip products. The Milani lipstick in the shade Pretty Natural, I think I only wore this once this month. I just haven't been that interested in wearing this, and like I said last time, I just don't think it's worth it to force myself to use products that I don't really want to use. So yeah, I'm not pressuring myself to finish this by the end of the year. I think that would be ridiculous. I am pretty sure I'll be doing an end of the year declutter, just a full collection declutter. And I have a feeling this will be one of the products to go. This is the oldest lipstick in my collection, and it's a pretty color, but I really cannot stand the smell of this. It's a very perfumey smell, and it just smells like cheap perfume. Like, that's just what it smells like, and I don't like that smell on my lips. It's super strong and it's just not pleasant to me, so that makes me want to wear it even less. But then also I don't know, I don't wear lipstick every day, and when I do, this just hasn't been the one that I wanted to reach for, so I don't think I have any progress to show as far as, you know, like the tally marks this time around, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it around until the end of the year, and then when that declutter comes around, I'm pretty sure this will be getting decluttered. The last product was the Milani lip liner in Spice. This I did make some good progress on. I think I made just as much progress this month as I did last month, so we're just, you know, making steady progress. I don't know if I'll finish this by the end of the year, but we'll see. Maybe I will. It's an easy product to wear. It goes nicely with a lot of lip colors, so yeah, I'm happy with the progress. I'm not in a rush to finish it, obviously. So that's my update. That's my Project Pan update. Pretty quick, because we only have 6 products left. But I am really excited to see how much I can finish or how much progress I can make before the very end of the year. So anyway, that's it for today's update. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.